So today I'm unboxing the Bed Story 4-inch gel memory foam mattress topper. So I'm going to be installing it, and while I'm installing it, I'll tell you what I think about it. So this memory foam that I got has really great contour. It's really good because it comes well packaged. I was surprised by the packaging. It was very good. It does have 2 layers and it has reversible foam in it. And the foam that I got was about 4 inches in thickness, and you can see how the thickness is. So it comes with these straps on the side, and the straps can be used to secure onto the bed. And it also has this zipper so that you can remove the covering and wash it. So it is washable, which is great. So installing it was really good. I do love that the option of getting it in different thickness. I got mine in 4-inch thickness, and I do love that whenever I put the thing on it, it stayed secure. It wasn't moving or budging anywhere. And you can see how I'm smoothing it. So installation was very easy to do. I love that, as I touched it, you'll see what I felt. So as you can see, it's very soft, very soft to the touch, and you can see the foam goes in and it bounces back really easily. So here is what it looks like, and after laying down a while on it, this area is going to smoothen out, but this is just out of the package. It looks really nice, and yeah. So overall, this was a good purchase. It felt really comfortable to sleep in and totally worth my money.